You can move to the UK in 2026 without IELTS and without paying for your visa upfront. Use the official UK government website, search for UK skilled worker visa shortage occupation list. That single page can change your life. If your job is on that list, you can get sponsored. Your employer pays for your visa, you skip IELTS in many cases, and you enter the UK legally with a job waiting for you. But many people don't know this. They think relocation is only for doctors or people with big money, but this is not true anymore. Let me show you exactly how this works. Right now, the UK has a worker shortage, a real shortage in care workers, warehouse staff, drivers, construction, and hospitality. Companies are struggling to hire locally, so the government allows them to sponsor foreign workers. This is the opportunity. But here is where people get it wrong. They go to the agent, they pay thousands of dollars, they apply randomly, they get scammed or they get rejected. The system is simple, but people make it complicated. You don't need an agent to start, you just need information and direction. Let me break it down clearly. The visa you are targeting is skilled worker visa, and this is the only main route. To qualify, you need three things. You need a job offer from the UK employer, a sponsor license from that employer, and a job that meets the requirement. That is it. Now, here's the powerful part. Some jobs do not need IELTS, especially care jobs. And here's why. Because the employer can access your English, they can confirm you can communicate. That replaces IELTS in many cases. And also, if you studied in English, you can use that, and that is another route. So don't assume the IELTS will stop you. Now let's go practical. Open your phone or laptop, go to the official UK government website, search for skilled worker visa UK. You will see a page full of full requirements. So you scroll down, look for eligibility occupation, click it. You will see a list of job code, and each job has a code. Each code has a salary requirement, but focus on these roles: care worker, senior care worker, support worker. These are the high demand roles. Now the step 2, you need companies that are licensed sponsors. Search for UK sponsor license list, download the official PDF, and this file contains thousands of UK companies, all approved to sponsor workers. This is where most people miss it. They apply on random job sites, but they don't check if that company can sponsor. They waste time. If the company is not on that list, they cannot give you a visa. So you take that list, then start filtering. Look for companies in healthcare, care homes, and staffing agencies. Then go to the Google, search for the company names plus Care Jobs UK. Go to the official career page, apply directly, no middleman. Now let's talk about the free visa part, because nothing is free. But here is what happens. Many UK employers cover certificate of sponsorship, visa fees, sometimes flight, sometimes accommodation, especially in care jobs. But here is why. Because they need workers urgently, so they invest in you. But you must position yourself correctly. Your CV must be clean, simple, straight to the point, no long story, no unnecessary details. Focus on experience, reliability, willingness to relocate. Even if you don't have a direct experience, you can position related experience. For example, customer service, volunteering, helping people, community work. This shows care ability. Now let me address a big mistake. People apply once and stop. This will not work because you need volume. Apply to 20 companies, 30 companies, 50 companies. Consistency beat luck. Also, check your email daily. Reply fast, because speed matters. Now let's talk about the salary. Many care jobs pays around 20,000 to 26,000 per year. It may not sound big, but remember, you are entering the UK legally. You can grow from there, and after some time, you can switch roles. You can increase your income. This is a stepping stone and not a final destination. Now, another key point is dependence. Many of these visas allows you to bring your family, but rules changes often. So always confirm on the official website. Do not rely on outdated information. Now let's do a quick comparison. If you use the agent route, you pay for money, you depend on someone, you take risk. But for the direct route, you apply by yourself, you control the process, and you save money. The second one is a better long term. It feels harder at first, but if you learn the system and once you understand it, you can repeat it anytime. If you are watching this and this is your first time here, I break down relocation and real opportunities like this. Simple, indirect, and no confusion. You can subscribe if you want more like this. Now let's bring this home. You don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to be informed. You don't need connection. You need consistency. And also, you don't need to rush. You just need to be strategic. Take one day, download the sponsor list, identify 20 companies and then apply. Do it again the next day, and this is how the results come, not by watching videos alone but by taking actions. And the final thing is, be careful. If anyone asks you for a large upfront payment for the UK job, just be conscious. Always verify and always check the official website, because the real opportunities do not hide. They are public, they are structured, they are clear, and now you know where to find them. And if you want the next step, watch my video on how to structure your CV for the UK sponsorship. This is where most people get rejected, because this one gives you the door and the next one helps you enter. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one.